The Personal Care Bank's mission is to provide hygiene products to anyone who needs them, and their latest collaboration hopes to make them even more accessible.
I decided to reach out to the library because they're already a hub for community. They already have things like access to internet, access to washrooms, and all kinds of other programs. So what we wanted to do was to kind of meet the people where they are and add another offering to the library in this context.
About a year ago, Personal Care Bank cabinets were installed at 3 library locations in the city, one downtown, one in North York, and the third in Scarborough.
It just seemed like these communities were most in need of this kind of initiative. I think we've had almost 100,000 products donated just to the library locations. So it's really kicking off and people are really gravitating towards it.
The libraries have always been one of the most safe, accessible, and welcoming places for all Torontonians of all walks of life. More and more, we are finding that we have become also a great space for different types of services to also be offered within our spaces. So to have the cabinets near library spaces just makes sense for us. We really like the idea that it's a 24/7 access. It isn't dependent on library hours.
We've got some menstrual products, got some dental care.
So far, there are a total of 7 cabinets in the city, and founder William Emilio explains they provide items that help people feel clean, safe, and confident.
Personal care items are so important for not just your physical health, but also your mental health. So for us, we wanted to make sure that we provided the basic need like soap, shampoo, and toothpaste, but also things like first aid items and cosmetics.
He adds that they only provide new, unused items and don't stock things like razors or medication because they could be dangerous. Each cabinet is painted by a different local artist to make it both inviting and spark curiosity.
It kickstarts the conversation about like, what is this? Like, why is it here? Why is it needed? And in a city like Toronto, where we think that these problems kind of don't exist, it really does kind of create a main focus for it.
The cabinets are stocked with the use of donations, both in cash and kind, and maintained entirely by volunteers.
And that involves cleaning, removing any items that are on our no list, and also restocking with items that we've fundraised for or grabbed and can put in the banks.
To learn more about how you can volunteer with the Personal Care Bank, you can go to our website, citynews.ca. For City News, I'm Dilshad Burman.